Recently, it's really hit me how much we waste at my house. So we throw away and recycle. We try to recycle almost everything, but we still get rid of a lot of trash. And so I started collecting some items, and I'm trying to produce more of our own food, start trying to grow more of our own food here at the house. So one of the things we eat is potatoes, and I've seen a lot of videos on growing potatoes in containers or 5-gallon buckets or different types of cylinders. Looking at all the trash I have at my house, we have grapefruit, we have potato bags, we have onion bags, we have orange bags, we have all this stuff. And I started looking around, I started thinking, you know what? This is just like elementary school when the teacher brought out the watercolors and the paint and the crayons and the colored pencils and all the stuff, and they had construction paper, and they just said, you know what, make whatever you want. So I started looking around here and I thought, what can I be creative with? How can I make my own containers to grow out of things that we're just going to throw away? So today what I'm going to do is make a container for growing potatoes out of some of these materials. I have my cardboard, tissue boxes are excellent, pair of scissors, and my brain, so we're going to get started. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make one out of this onion container. And if you can see it, the onion container has holes all through. So if I just put some dirt in here, it would leak out, the roots would grow through the netting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this with cardboard all around the bottom and the sides, and then I'm going to add the dirt so everything will stay inside. You can see how I crush the edges, and now I'm going to push it back out, and now I have a nice base. Probably should have taken the plastic out beforehand. So I'm going to get rid of recycle that. I'm going to rip open the sides here. So that's going to allow the dirt and everything to stand upright later on, the plant to grow up. You can hear the geese flying over. There's one edge, a little bit narrow. That's okay. You can really hear the geese. Okay, right, there you go. I'm going to add some dirt, add some potatoes, and we'll see how it turns out. But there's your growing box made from recycled materials or trash.